A question from the reader: how last minute can you buy your wedding suit? Let's discuss this now. And hi, my name is Michael and welcome to Men's Finest channel. I had a question from the reader that I had to respond to because we come across this question probably more often than we perhaps want, in the sense that people leave things, I'm the same, guilty, to the very last minute. If you don't have to do it, you don't do it until you get a letter from someone and I have to do it, and then you get another, I have to do it again, and you get another letter and a fine, and then you say like, I have to do it now. Same goes to picking up clothes, and especially if you've got a big occasion coming up, men tend to procrastinate, and it's happening to all of us. It happened to me, it happened to you more than once, no doubt. So how do we do it? How can we avoid this? How can we tackle this? Because we cannot just simply switch it off and be on time all the time. So how can we use a tailor to combat our procrastination? Well, one simple solution is to find a tailor that actually can do express orders. And what I mean by express orders, something that is quick, something that can be delivered within a matter of days, not weeks. So try to find someone who can help you with that. There are express and super express orders available through me, through Men's Finest. So if you decide to go with me, I can help you with that. But how last minute is last minute? I hear you ask. I would say that last minute is probably 7 days before, but the last minute is probably 4 days before. But if you are planning to go to a wedding and you haven't sorted your garment 7 days before, it's insane. You're insane. You should get this fixed, not this, right? 7 days before is the minimum. Think about this. We can do it in 3 days turnaround, but it can't cost you an arm and a leg to get that suit on time for you. So don't procrastinate. Don't put this off. If you've got a month, contact me. If you've got 2 weeks, contact me. If you've got a week left before you have to go for the big day, whether that's your wedding, which is even worse, or wedding you go to, it's going to cost you a lot of money. I'm not gonna lie to you, but it's doable, and that's the most important thing. If the money is no object, or if you can put this expense through the company, which I can easily advise you on how to do that, then maybe Super Express is also a possibility for you. How late do you usually leave buying your clothes? Let me know in the comments below. 7 days is the minimum. 4 days is the minimum with us. Let me know how long you leave your stuff before you decide to purchase anything. Finally. Let me know. Ciao.